Now, when we ask business owners and managers what's been their experience with reputation management, we get a few answers that are kind of similar. Like, I really don't know about reputation management. Another one is, I really don't have any experience with it. Well, reputation management is really reactive marketing. It's not that great. It actually hurts you because you're reacting to a problem that should have never shown up online in the first place, or if it's there, should have immediately been resolved. It's like closing the barn door after the horse has already run away. You're too late. The damage is done. It's like this, where did it go? So what we're going to be talking about now, I think is maybe going to shock you a little bit because your competition has no idea about the power of reputation marketing versus reputation management. You'll learn today that reputation marketing is the most effective way to market because your reputation management is obsolete. See, in your business, you don't make money managing. Managing is literally an expense to your company. You make money marketing. When you're marketing something, that's when your sales increase. That's when the value of your company increases. So smart businesses start with reputation marketing. Let me show you in a little bit more detail about the contrast between the two because the online game of marketing just changed and is now giving 5-star companies a huge advantage in the marketplace. Let me share with you the 4 game changers that are changing the entire landscape of doing business online. And if you'll take these 4 game changers to heart, then you're going to be literally crushing it when it comes to getting new customers and increasing your sales.